Okay, Billy. We've been working on this for 5 months now. What is the equation of this line shown here?
I'm not sure, Mr. B, what the equation of the line is on the board.
Okay.
Billy, try to remember what the equation is for a linear line.
I must be having a brain fart, Mr. B, because I can't remember anything.
Billy, perhaps you remember a certain video that we once saw about 5 months ago?
There's no need to be down, I said, students. Make a smile from your frown, I said, students. There's a new line in town, there's no need to be unhappy, students. When you do know the slope, I said, students. When you're short on your hope, you can try this. And I'm sure you will find the equation of a straight line. What does y equal? mx plus b. What does y equal? mx plus b. With this formula down, now you know all the words. You can hang out with all the nerds. What does y equal? mx plus b. What does y equal? mx plus b.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so let's go ahead and solve the problem that Billy was trying to do in class earlier in the video. So, we have our equation up here, y equals mx plus b. Now, the key thing, once you remember the formula, is that you only need to find m and b. Alright, that's why I have both of those highlighted. And you got to remember, m is our slope, and b is our y-intercept. Now, it doesn't matter which one you find first. I'm going to start with the y-intercept because typically that is the easiest. Y-intercept means y-intersection. So we're looking for where does our line cross the y-axis. Alright, and if you can see right here is where the line crosses the y-axis. So all you have to do, since this is the y-intercept, is what is that y value? If I go down 1, that means our answer is -1 for our y-axis. Now, once you have your y-intercept, find your slope. Well, remember, slope connects two coordinates here. So you see they already have two coordinates highlighted for us here. And you want to go from one coordinate to the next coordinate. It doesn't matter which one you start at. I'm going to start with my green one because that's the first coordinate I made. So notice we want to do our rise over our run. So rise usually means go up. But I would not go up to get to my orange coordinate here, so I'm actually going to go down instead. Since I went down, count your units, 1, 2, that's going to be -2. Okay, so my rise is -2. And then I got to count my run. So I wouldn't go to the left, which would be negative. I'm actually going to go to the right, which would now make a +2. So -2 over +2. Alright, simplify your fraction here. That gives you a -1. So, now that I have my m and I have my b, I can now write my equation. So, y equals -1 x and then plus b, but since it's a -1, I'm just going to put -1. And for those good algebra students, you would also know this is the same thing as y equals -x. Alright, -1. Notice these are both the same equation. The bottom one is the one you're going to see on all your standardized tests. Hope you guys have found this informative, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class soon.